Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete all your saved photos from Google Photos. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Photo Settings. Then go to Backup and turn it off. This will prevent new photos from automatically being saved to your Google Photos account. Now go back to the main screen, tap on the three dots at the top right, and select the month view. This makes it much easier to select all your photos. You'll see your photos organized by months like October, July, or June. Simply tap to select an entire month. Then scroll down and keep selecting the rest of the months until you've selected everything. Once you've done that, go to the trash section and tap Allow to delete all the selected photos and move them to the trash. Then just go to the Collections tab, and once you're there, open the trash. Tap the three dots at the top and choose Select. After that, you'll see a button at the bottom that says Delete All. Go ahead and tap it, and then confirm by tapping Delete again. And that's it. Now you know how to delete all your photos from Google Photos quickly and easily.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.